Yes, that's right. Let's do it. Hi Taylor, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm excellent. Now, where are you from?
I am from Arlington, South Dakota.
Arlington, South Dakota. How old are you?
I am 16 years old.
16 years old. And what made you decide to do You Got Talent this year?
Well, I really love to perform for people, and I love seeing reactions of people afterwards and making people happy while I perform.
Nice. Very good. And what are we going to hear for your first selection tonight?
Okay, so this is a very special song to me. It was used as a lullaby when I was little, and I've kind of put my twist on it so it's a little longer, and I guess now it's more special for me because I get to sing it myself.
Very good. Taylor Bird.
It's called All Day Now by Tom Petty. Good night, baby. Sleep tight, my love. May God watch over you from above. Tomorrow I'm working. What will I do? I'd be lost and lonely if not for you. So close your eyes. It'll be alright for now. I've spent my life traveling, spent my life free. I could not repay all you've done for me. So close your eyes. It'll be alright for now. So good night, baby. Sleep tight, my love. May God watch over you from above.
Taylor Bird. Let's hear it for all of our contestants.